A lot of people are really unhappy with their dent warranties that they purchase from dealerships, but these dent warranties aren't an absolute fix anything that could go wrong. These dent warranties are made to handle door dings that can be kind of costly, and they can give you a break on them. Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and behind me I'm working on a 2023 Land Rover Defender, and this vehicle is using a dent warranty to take care of this minor dent in the driver's side rear door. This is a pretty decent sized dent, but it's a perfect candidate for the dent warranties. We're able to take care of this using Paintless dent repair. This prevents it from having to be repainted. Of course, this damage came out fantastic using Paintless dent repair. For us to repair this, we didn't have to disassemble anything. We were able to roll the window down and use our shield to protect the glass and our wedge to give us enough room to get our tools behind there and work this damage out. If you have damage on your vehicle and you would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're located at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.